Hello there, and welcome back to your DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Downloader on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So we're going to go straight to the point, but we'll do that in 2 steps, given that Google TV has the Play Store embedded. So the first step is to get into your settings. Go to Quick Settings and All Settings, then get into your settings and navigate down to the apps section. We're trying to open the Downloader application. So go to Still Apps, then navigate as low as you can go to the bottom and you find Show System Apps. So right there, you're going to go down on that list. So scroll down until you find the Play Store application. So this first part of the video is showing you how to locate the Play Store application on Google TV. It is embedded in the system, and to open it up, just come here, click on the Play Store and open. Alternatively, you could access the Play Store just on the search bar on the home screen. But if you want to find the whole Play Store and get that complete app to open up, this is how you do it. So open up and you can access the search bar at the top of the screen on this app. So just maybe use the keyboard. In my case, I already see the download application pop up, but for completion's sake, just type in Downloader. And I'm going to show you that there are a couple of apps that are a bit similar, even with the same name as Downloader. So you're going to be looking for the specific application I'm going to show you from the specific source. So if you search Downloader, you see this one from AFTV. Click on it. You want this particular app with the D that has an arrow pointing down from AFTV News. So click on install, and that begins the installation process. Just hang tight, wait for the download process to be complete, and you'll see that it will install automatically onto your Google TV. From here, you can access it on your app library, or you could just click on the open button that will appear immediately the app is done installing. So right there, it's installed, so you can click on open to launch the app, or you could just go back to your home screen or go to your app library and navigate, and there you have Downloader on the right. So that's it for this video. If you found it insightful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with videos just like this.